Hello. Today I'm going to go over some basic information about Jupiter. This first image shows Jupiter taken from a satellite that had passed by Jupiter, getting very high resolution images. And there's some things that you can notice right off the bat about Jupiter. It's all these lines that are going across it. So Jupiter is the first of the gas giants, and it is the largest planet in our solar system. Those lines that I was talking about are a very specific feature with Jupiter, and they're created in a very specific way. On this image here, we have added some arrows, and what we see is that the arrows are indicating wind direction and speed. So bands of clouds can easily be seen in Jupiter's thick atmosphere. That's what all these are, right? These are all just swirling clouds. The winds that create these bands move in opposite directions. So this set of winds is moving to the east, where this set of winds is moving to the west. And it creates this swirling pattern that we see. Another close-up of Jupiter, and you're going to see a couple of circles around here. So white circles here, a big red circle. And these are features that will last on the surface or up in the atmosphere of Jupiter for a very long time and be visible for years, decades, centuries. The wind patterns create huge storms at the borders of these bands. That's what this big red spot is. It's a big storm that's larger than the Earth. These other circles are also storms, huge, but not as big as the big red spot. The most famous of these is the Great Red Spot. Moving down to this image, we see the atmosphere of Jupiter in the background, and then this is one of the moons of Jupiter. Jupiter has between 80 and 95 moons in orbit. Many of these are small and unimportant. So when I say small and unimportant, I mean they are so small they're not even a sphere. They're like just a uneven chunk of rock. More like an asteroid or a meteor. But some of these are very large. A few of the moons are very large. The 4 large main moons are visible from a normal telescope. So you can see these in just a regular telescope, the 4 main moons. Okay, we're going to take a look at a couple of the moons here. And this first one, you see the surface, and it's all red and rust colored and yellow, and it's a very geologically active moon. This is Io. Io is the most geologically active object in the solar system. This is because of the tremendous stress placed on the moon by Jupiter's gravity and the gravity of the other Galilean moons. So this whole planet is being stretched and twisted by gravity from Jupiter and from the other moons. So it's constantly being churned and has forces applying on it. That's what makes it so geologically active. Volcanoes regularly shoot material up into the atmosphere. All right, this one down here is Europa, and it looks quite a bit different. Europa is covered in large sheets of ice. So this is all ice along the surface with cracks, huge cracks going through the ice. It is believed that a large ocean exists below the surface and could be an environment suitable for life. So at some point we'll go out here and try and drill below the surface of the ice and see if there's the possibility of single cellular life out there. All right, I hope this answers some of your basic questions about Jupiter. Thank you.